Hello, my name is Judy Nixon and I'm a librarian at Purdue. Today I'm going to show you how you can search and limit your search to a methodology when you're in PsycInfo. We're going to use the example of how to find a case study in PsycInfo. Start your research at the library homepage, www.lib.purdue.edu, and click on the database link that is below the search window box. This will bring up a list of all our databases. In the search box, type PsycInfo and hit the Go button, and that will bring up a list of the matches for PsycInfo. And the first one is the one we want. That's a hot link, so click on PsycInfo. Okay, now here we are at PsycInfo. We buy PsycInfo from the EBSCO company, and I recommend that first step is to change from the basic search to the advanced search. That brings up 3 windows or 3 boxes for your search, and you can put one idea or one concept into each box. So separate your ideas by putting them in separate boxes. Here's an example. I typed in hyperactivity or ADHD. So I'm separating synonyms on the in the boxes or in the concept lines with an or. I capitalized it here just so you could see it, but it does not need to be capitalized. I have a second concept, inattentive or inattention. So I am typing that in the second box, and I put an asterisk at the end of the stem of the word. That will pick up all words that begin with this word stem. Now we just press the search button. We get over 4,000 hits, but what we want to do is limit our search now just to case studies. So every indexer at PsycInfo is asked to index the articles by the methodology used in the research. And on the left-hand side, we see we can choose the methodology. And it lists about 6 possible methodologies here, but I don't see case study there, so we're going to click the More button. By the way, here's a list of all the types of case studies that you can search for in PsycInfo, and you'll see there are 2 that match case studies. There's a clinical case study and there's non-clinical case study. You can use this methodology also to limit to a lit review or a systematic review. Okay, so we're going to click the box for clinical case study, and then we're going to update our search. Okay, let's go live and see how this works. Okay, here we are at PsycInfo, and I'm going to go to the advanced search screen, and I'm going to type in my search. Okay, there are my 4,000 plus hits, and over here on the left is where I can go to methodology and open this up, and we see there's not a case study choice, so we'll go to show more, and here we can choose clinical case studies. We could scroll down and also choose non-clinical case studies. That will get both of them. Update our search. And now we are down to 115 articles. Now, since you're particularly interested in children, I'm going to show you how you can limit also by age. Just go over here on the left, look for age, click on this box, and we might want to just do childhood. That updates our search. Now we're down to 71 articles. And we can start scrolling through them until we find one that we're interested in. And let's click on use of homework success for a child. Let's click on this one and see. And it says that we buy this journal from Sage. If we click here, we can get to the full text of the article. Here's the abstract of the article. Click here and download the full text of the article. So this was a quick review of how to limit your search in PsycInfo to a case study.